having me?
You taking Tesla off the hop?
Just take it easy, brother. Take it easy.
I feel like I'm starting to get it now.
How we doing this morning, everyone? First day of the week, small week. Let's lock in, man. Who did the morning pre-market today? Benjamin. He was able to do it?
Somehow.
All right. What was his favorite play this morning, or favorite plays?
I think it was him wishing he held what we played last week?
Yo, get out of here.
Tesla, Meta, and then Nvidia.
Okay.
I think in that order.
Tesla, Meta. Wow, Tesla, Nvidia. Oh well, my favorite play this morning. Well, since the weekend, if you guys watch the watch list, is Tesla. It's dope that it broke though. Nvidia is weak as fuck. Is there news on that?
Not sure.
It looks like it. Lower in pre-market. What's going on?
Could just be NQ's down 120 points, so ES is down 30. That's why I like Tesla the most, because it's still green.
Yeah, Nvidia is weak though. Reliable. This is pretty big. But Tesla's been my favorite play since obviously the weekend. It was on the watch list, and then obviously Meta's cool. But it still has a lot more room for me to take that trade. Really, the top two plays for me is Tesla. Netflix is cool, Jay, but if you watch the watch list, you'll understand from my perspective. I'd rather this close around 705 because Netflix doesn't move pre-market and aftermarket at all. Maybe $1. Like even look, it's opening like flat. So I'd rather this close around 705, and then we get the push from there in the morning. Those are usually the best probability trades with Netflix, rather than pushing here off the open and we're gonna take it at 708 or something like that.
Yo.
Panchito,
What's good?
what you got at open?
I
Meta?
know Nor just talked about it, but honestly, probably Netflix.
Really, at open?
Yeah. Did you see my text?
You just said the opposite.
Huh?
I misunderstood what you said there 100% then. Because
Well,
you made it sound there that you did not want anything early.
I mean, look at my text is what I'm saying.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like it there or not.
Yo, Benji, are you in Atlanta? Good talk, bro.
What would be your early entry there if you do?
704.
704. Be careful at 706.
I don't know. It's just the thing is, I mean, these are all-time high levels too, so it's like there's not really much congestion around these levels yet.
For Netflix is what you're talking about?
Yeah, so I'm not sure if I like it yet or not.
The 30-minute
Meta's far away. Tesla is pulling back as of right now. Nvidia would be the only other close stock, but that's not till 115 for me.
Yeah, same. It's not till 115.
I feel like we wake up every day and disagree on everything.
Be careful with the 706 level, right? 706.50.
Is that what you're gonna have it open as Netflix?
That's what I might have open.
If Tesla didn't pull back a little bit, that'd been definitely the obvious choice.
Still dropping here. I do like how it's kind of pretty much at least flat. Don't know.
What'd you say, George?
So I do like how it opened up flat at least. If for early entry, I guess it would make sense instead of. But
But like I said, I mean, this is a mediocre setup. This is nothing crazy to write home about. As a scalp, I don't think this would be bad. But I mean, that also comes to you if you like the trade or not either.
So
But
what do you
Nor-
have ready?
And the other thing too, George, is that it's the beginning of the new month. Do I really want to take Netflix off the entry if it pushes straight up?
you're going to. Don't be lying to me.
Nah, there's been times I haven't.
I'm just kidding. Meta's pushing, so that's out of the question.
That was never in the question, honestly. Yo, by the way, I know a lot of people are joining here today, right now, and you had a long weekend. But the accountant was added to the chat and the travel agent. Today, I will be adding the credit repair person. So if you missed that, that's there. For the free 99, sir. So what do you have
Get more
open, Frankie?
I mean, I'm just having Netflix ready. I mean, there's nothing else that's ready.
Yeah,
Personally.
I'll do the same. See how it reacts at that 30
Just
minutes.
like I said, I remember this isn't the best level on Netflix either. Like the real level is until like 708, 710. This is just like a little something that I maybe see here.
720s.
Yeah, I had the 710s or 720s. Yeah, 710s are like $4 or $5 right now, which isn't too bad.
I don't know if I'd do the 720s on Netflix, to be honest.
It is Monday. Damn, Nvidia is just all around weak right now. I mean, the market is weak as well. Let's find some divergence here, man.
If that gets close to 115, I'll switch to that though.
Exactly, yeah. I'm with you on that.
It's Tuesday, but
It's still not there, E, so just wait 1 sec.
we do bounce here. It should be around 56.20ish. If we don't bounce there, got room all the way to 5600 to be honest on ES.
$704 is slightly enticing for you, Frankie, you said?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Slightly, okay.
I'm in a trend right at 704, right at 705 with no pre-market.
Nvidia is like 70 cents away.
Yeah, it just started dumping while market's pushing. It's a little annoying.
I think I'm switching to Nvidia.
There's that, and then obviously Tesla's pushing.
We switching to Nvidia.
I
Yeah.
think I'm too late, guys. I switched, but I'm a little scared. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I'd rather not.
Yo. I didn't get the contracts up in time.
I got crazy right there. About a 60-cent drop from where my entry would be, 115.20. Wow. Damn.
I'll just keep my eyes on Netflix then.
All right. Actually, Tesla, if you're interested in that, is coming up pretty quickly. I think I'm gonna just stick to that. Cause that's
It is, isn't it? Damn.
I'm looking at the 220 calls on Tesla. I'm in. 220 calls. Very strong. Very strong. A little late on the entry. I got filled at 420.
I'm scaling out half here on Nvidia. Oh my god.
Wow.
20%.
You caught it?
Yeah.
Nice, George.
I tried to tell y'all I was switching over, but I was barely in time.
Yeah, it was
Looking
quick
to
for
sell
all
another.
of us.
I was selling another quarter here. I have a quarter left at the 114 break. I sold half already.
All right, guys, my finger's on the trigger for Tesla if this doesn't go green here. It did pull back pretty hard, but you have to remember the market pulled out just as hard, even harder, actually. So, is it still strong? Yes. Do I look to add here? I'm debating.
Here we go, new low. Oh my god, here we go. I sold another quarter here on Nvidia. Not looking for much more now. One more nice drop here.
Guys, getting ready to add. I added on Tesla. I really like that. I have a full position on Tesla. Now, obviously, you don't want to adjust your average. Don't touch it. I'm going to let this roll here. I think this is really strong. Market's dropping. Tesla's holding up here above 218. Usually I would wait, but I want to take advantage of this if this does rip through here.
30%.
Contracts, they are 410. I have an average of 420. Let's go. Can we get some recovery here in the market? Let's see what Tesla can do. Yeah, Tesla looks like the one here as long as market doesn't dump.
For 50 cents and I'm out. Nice play there on Nvidia. Swapping a Tesla. Do I got time?
Yeah.
I just switched to it too, George.
You
So
took Nvidia with me?
nah, I was watching Netflix. It never got close. I didn't like the way it was approaching.
220s, Nor?
Yeah, I mean, I'm about to get out. It's pulling back here. This doesn't push up here, I'm out. I need this to hold 217.30. So right now it's doing well. Okay, new high. Boom. Oh my days, look at this, guys.
Wow.
Great ad that we were doing. I'm going to hold this till at least 220 based on divergence and risk to reward here. That's what the only thing that makes sense for me.
Terrible fill there.
What'd you get?
440.
Oh, I got 419.
Yeah, that's my average. Pretty much, Frankie, 420.
Yeah.
I'm going to hire my trailing stop now. 217.56.
Another red to green.
Market is dumping hard here.
Yep. And Tesla above 219, guys.
Yeah, I'm watching spike calls at this location.
Well, shit, you're on the same page as me. I like that. Thank you. I appreciate the support. 460 a contract on Tesla, up nicely, but it's pulling back again. Like I said, I hired my trailing stop 217.60. It was technically 217.56, but I'm gonna do 217.60. Now, if you feel comfortable taking it anywhere, up to you.
Maki just signaled
I'm in
too.
the spike calls.
Maki's in
Yeah,
SPY
control
calls.
spike calls, half position.
Next day contracts.
Yep, as usual.
I just like to make it clear for the chat. Got some herbs.
Wow, they're buying that up.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I
Contracts holding up relatively well too.
Yeah.
For the meantime.
What's your stop on this, Frankie? Is it close to mine?
If these contracts hit 390, so pretty close to a 10%, if not a little under that. I just didn't like how we broke the new high by a few cents, but I also like how strong it is.
We broke by 70 cents, Frankie.
When we made the previous high just now, around 219, like 20.
Yeah, that was a good break. That was 40. That was 70 cents. Market was dropping. You got to remember that.
They're selling it off pretty heavy around that 20-cent area as well.
Yeah, the divergence is just so good for me, like so nice to
And-
me that I don't want to sell.
NQ's starting to bounce here.
Yeah.
Here we go. Should go straight to 50 here. Want to see a close above 20 cents.
This is while NQ's
Ooh,
wicking too.
Yeah.
Straight to
Contracts are
50.
getting stuck right now too, by the way.
It just started breaking.
Oh,
as you
there
said
it
that,
goes. Yeah. So they're getting stuck at 460 for a
And
while there.
If we get 220, our contracts start accelerating because we're going in the money.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be selling half there for sure.
All right, George.
I'm up 13% right here myself.
Yeah, I remember I caught Nvidia.
George
earlier,
doesn't
so
believe in me,
I'm
so
like-
he's gonna sell it half.
I sold Nvidia. I got Nvidia earlier, so I'm
Oh,
like,
we have a trend. I forgot to tell you. On the 30 minutes at 221, like exactly, I believe. That was something I was
Alright.
looking at. It's.
hey, you got room all the
It's
way
not
to
that good.
220.90 cents.
Wow, another red to
Oh
green,
my
bro.
God! Here we go, George.
Let's do it.
Contracts hit 490 there, I think.
Yeah, guys, if you feel comfortable, you feel comfortable. I just like to stick to my targets.
What's your
Obviously-
stop on this?
Dude, honestly, I think I'm gonna hold that same stop, unless things get crazy.
Gotcha.
Realistically, I was hoping that at least broke by a little bit. I was gonna sell a third of it there. Ah, man, I fucking hate those candles, honestly. But look at the market, though. It's like,
As long as it keeps getting bought up around 218 here.
So we'll find out.
Yeah.
I was up nice. For a Monday right there, I was up nice. Still green. Slightly.
That is
It's
true.
bouncing for the market though. If the market holds, that's gonna be the first one.
Yeah, but I don't know if we're gonna have time to find out here if this pulls back. I can't hold that long. What we doing, Frankie?
I stopped out right here.
Yeah, it's pretty much a break-even stop for you then.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, see, that's what I want to see. I want to see keep getting bought up at 218. But if we drop below
Yo,
it,
market's getting cracked.
damn.
Look at that, guys. That's why, selling when you're comfortable is a good thing. Look at that. Look at this pullback. Nvidia was the one, but it really, it was and wasn't at the same time because of how fast it dropped off the open.
I'm gonna add to the SPY trade soon. I'm just waiting for more confirmation. Potentially a hold above 559.70.
Damn, Tesla got killed.
Could see a hold above that. I'll add.
The 30-minute is crazy on Tesla.
It didn't even sell me.
Holy
What
crap.
the fuck?
There goes all that momentum on Tesla.
That's so disgusting. I just got killed right there.
By setting
It
up
didn't
again.
sell.
I'm getting ready to add. Just watch
What
559.75.
just happened there? I just had to
Once we
cancel the
hold
order.
above that, that would be my second confirmation. And my stop for this half position
But that makes
below
no sense, but
559.
okay.
Should I mark it or limit?
Market.
Mm-hmm.
That was dumb. It's so annoying, bro. There's oh wow, now it fills? That makes no sense, bro. Wow. That was dumb. Whole market collapsing.
We're starting to see signs. I want to see a successful hold above 60 cents here. That would be
$5
my
drop.
second confirmation to add here. And my target is 561, so it should be a big trade. Just giving it a second here to see if it holds above 60 at least.
That's so annoying.
Push through 75.
E, where'd you sell?
I sold like 219.
Bro, that was so annoying. You sold green?
Nah, I lost $1 on that, literally. I was up like 100, and then that shit just pulled back on some crazy shit.
Bro, that was
Starting to look
annoying.
better. Getting ready to add. Carefully watch 75 cents. If it keeps showing hesitation there, then I'm not ready to add yet. We didn't quite get to 75 though. Here we go, it's trying again. I'm adding that in full position now. Stop loss remains the same.
I hate that. That's so annoying.
Let's see.
Whatever. Meta is strong.
Still somewhat struggling at 75. But we did see good signs there at first.
Yo, I'm looking at the. I like Meta 530 calls. I just
In my
got in.
opinion, it's still behaving the right way. It might just not be
Wow,
ready
just
yet.
ripped.
Just give it time. Let's find out.
I got in. But if you're looking to play it, 524.90. You can wait for that.
Yo, Firm's going for that 45 break. I don't know if anyone's interested in that.
It's taking its sweet time.
Guys, I'm looking at 530
ad was-
calls on Meta. Sorry. Okay.
No, you. You said Meta calls?
Yeah, I'm looking at the 530s. They're really strong. This stock's really strong right now. I'm in. You can wait for 524.90 for a safer entry. Excuse me.
Stop for SPY is about 15%, give or take.
Stop for Meta is like 524, guys. I'm not gonna let this go any further. And when this breaks 525 here, which is about 10 cents off, my stop loss is gonna be break even. It just broke. So
The target here.
this is divergence here, so I'm going for the previous high. I wanted to sell half there, but I'm going for above 526 if I can get that. Stop loss is break even, guys. Don't go on red. Don't go red on this. I just need Maki to push SPY up here, and this is gone.
Yeah, we definitely had a bounce here, but it seems like the market wants to consolidate here a little bit. Not getting the move immediately, which is totally fine.
BA is getting pretty close too.
Which one?
BA.
Yeah, I got the alert for that too, Frankie.
I had my alert go off at 161.50 just now.
On what stock? BA?
Yeah.
Let me know if that gets closer, because Meta just had a red to green. So I'll get out of this and then get into that. I'm interested.
I was getting close to my stop.
Guys, market just dumped and Meta just ripped. George, you still in this?
Yeah. I don't know for how much longer. ES is at a critical point. It got 10 more points of room down.
Yeah, look at this, bro. I hate the spread on the stock. It's so annoying.
It was doing good earlier, holding 525. Just got to get the bid above.
Yeah, it's right there again.
SPY has followed through here. I'm gonna be selling, taking an extra 2% loss on that to give it a sec. If it has no follow through, I won't be selling.
Bro, if it wasn't for this market, George, we'd be at like 527 right now.
Yeah. It's still holding.
Do you see how aggressive the market is right now?
Yeah. Got 8 more points here on ES before it could just start bouncing now. Be great. What's your stop on this?
So I'm about to click it. I'm literally, my fingers on the sell. It's pretty
Same.
much.
Literally same.
We're all at the stop.
Yeah, I sold.
I just
My
sold
stop
too.
hit good.
It's still going, Maki, that's why.
Yeah, because it had follow through below 60. I
I sold
gave it
once
an
I saw
extra
that.
2%.
Once I saw the ass below 524, I sold.
Be like that, George.
BA just hit 161, I think. Yeah. So $1 away from the 160 level.
What's the level on that, Frankie?
160. So the problem is this thing is down so much already. These things been dropping all morning. Surprisingly good volume too.
I still can't believe Tesla pulled back that much. That's wild. Talk about strength into weakness too. That was wild.
Yeah, that might have been a shakeout. Look at SPY. Yeah, I'm definitely willing to re-trigger the entry, but at a same hold of 75 cents.
Everything just having a breakout, come back, breakout, come back. Look at Meta 521. Wild. Maki, you down to try it again?
SPY?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. But somewhere next to 559.50.
Me too. That's exactly where my alert is. As close as possible to 560.
Yeah. And then my target's high above high day.
Nvidia found its support at 112. That's what I have too. Room down after that till 110.30, but I think this found a base here for now. It's not moving with the market.
I think we're about to see SPY.
Yeah, this could really rip here.
If I see real strength here, I'm gonna take half first. Above that 559.25. This should be it though, guys. I'm taking half a position here. And I'll add above 559.75.
I'm actually gonna take that trade soon with Maki, but I'm gonna wait till 559.50 at least.
I don't know about that.
Hmm?
I don't know about that.
All
I'm green for the day.
right. You're green for the day.
The reason why I'm doing
what, meta?
halves is because this has the tendency
Nice.
to whiplash back and forth. I need to have a good average to be able to withstand that. If this shoots straight into 559.75, I think I'm gonna wait to add that other half, because more likely than not, we'll have one last pullback before it does that move.
Maybe got some news here.
News, yep, at 9. I think if this slips 558, I'm gonna sell that half. It shouldn't get that low.
BA is getting close, Nor. 70 cents away on the bid.
Yeah, good thing I didn't take that SPY trade, bro.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, cause I wanted to wait, and then he got the early entry there, so. News ISM 47.2, 54 versus 52. That's hot.
5600 there on ES is pretty important. Bounce
It
right off.
bounced right at 558. It's not ready yet, though. We'll see.
Nor, are you here?
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Okay.
You're planning to take it at 160?
Yeah. 160.20 is where I have my alert.
How are the spreads?
Looks like they get bad when it pulls back, but that's normal BA. But
How much are they?
260 right now. They're actually pretty decent for BA.
Down $13 for the day.
Yeah, I know. That's the only like red flag that I have for this. I wanted to take it at 161, but I decided just to play it safe. This is not my kind of BA setup, though. It's the only thing. What you thinking here, Noah? You like this or no?
I don't play BA enough to really take this, honestly.
Oh,
It's about to break.
I'm probably just gonna sell him the 160 break here.
Oh, you're in already?
Mm-hmm. Where my alert was at 160.20, where I told everybody.
No, that was the right entry. That wasn't early.
Spike's not gonna happen today.
That is a significant wall for BA, but with the volume it's had all day today, it should be able to break it if it touches it. And that's the key where it needs to touch 160. I didn't signal this one either because this isn't my kind of BA setup that I'm comfortable with. So if it was, I probably would have sized heavier on this, but
How much are those contracts on BA? Damn, it broke.
there it
Spike's about
goes.
to break yesterday's low. Oh, Friday's low.
There we go. The bid's getting under. The ash just got under right there. About to sell when these contracts hit 3. Now I'm gonna get out here soon. If I see that ask get above 160, I'm just gonna get out. Yeah, I didn't like that. There we go.
Yeah, when y'all be talking about the bid, we talking about the text or the book order?
It's the book order. It's, you see how it says bid and ask.
Nice, Frank.
There's like a left and right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
For a scalp, that wasn't bad, but if that had set up the way I wanted it to, like for tomorrow, that setup would have been crazy. Good news is I could pay for the chat, so that's with taking a loss from Meta and Tesla, me personally. So I held Meta just to look for a little bit more because of the market divergence, and Tesla just shot itself in the head. So I was super green on both though.
Yeah, it got cooked.
Oh, there it goes. Contracts just hit 310. Wow.
What was the entry in your contract? How much did you get in for, Frankie?
270.
Okay.
The reason why I sold so like I had my like take profit so tight, guys, is because BA's already down. It was down $12 by the time I got in. At that point, I can't look for too much. I gotta just take advantage of the momentum it has behind it.
Maki, if we take down Friday's lows, where do you expect this to go? I don't have anything for it. Like, it's a zone here for me.
Yeah, it's like 556 or something, right?
Yeah, it's not much room.
The double bottom.
58.
That Friday low's a double bottom too.
The hell?
And it's a triple bottom now. It's about to-
Is crazy.
That level's like 557.10 or something.
I think this traps people here on the downside.
This thing got me twice though. I think I'm done.
What SPY?
I don't think I'm. Yeah, I don't think I'm willing to try the downside.
Be careful. I don't like SPY.
It bounced exactly where it should have. But
Yeah.
I sent a picture in stock chat. So it's still respecting. But I don't know if I'm willing to play downside. The only thing I like is upside. And I'll consider if it comes back. I'll still do a half a position lights out. But if that doesn't happen, then I'm skipping on downside.
Meta 515 is still very possible.
I'm not. I was waiting really for like 511, 510.
Gotcha.
I think right now the way everything dropped and this
It's
Northern,
choppy.
yeah, I
Yeah.
think I'm with Northern.
Even Nvidia, look at this, creates a base. I actually have support there on 12 and it's creating a base there.
Yeah.
If you have a tight, like, whoever tried to, let's say people are trying to play that downside on SPY, you don't have a tight, or if you have a tight stop, you're going to get stopped every time on those. That's why I'm not interested. It just doesn't look appealing here. I would honestly love for the market to drop, but that news isn't in favor of that, honestly. The data was pretty hot.
The downside looks a little better now. Still not the greatest.
Nah, I'm on stream. Yo, Meta's at 515, Frankie.
Yeah, the thing is dying.
Holy shit.
I mean, like you guys said though, yeah. I mean, the market's pretty choppy, so I'm not sure
Oh
yet.
my god, what was that?
I need some like extra confirmation everywhere.
What happened, George?
Nah, that was a aggressive drop, like a 5-point drop there on ES in like half a second.
You look at the 1 hour, it's a double bottom.
Yeah, I got room all the way down to 55.80 on it, which is not much more at this point. We're already down 70 points.
That wall on Nvidia is insane.
It
It just
broke now.
broke it. Yeah.
I don't see how that trade's worth it at all.
Nah,
It took that long to kind of break there. It is a consolidation, quote unquote, technically to break, but just
That's
the wrong
yeah.
time of the day to be breaking, honestly. The whole market just got dropped.
So you think that's a bad trade? Because I ended up taking Nvidia right there. It was lagging behind the market. That was my only red indicator.
Yeah, I think so. See what I mean? Like that, it's just when the market has a green candle, what do you expect that to do right there? The only benefit of that trade is the consolidation break, so it can lag. It's just that sync up there is just not the right sync. Where's SPY? Still below 557. Damn, Netflix is not gonna happen.
or that another day anyways, like you said. Open up around 7:05.
Yeah, I mean, we're definitely not opening up around 705 anymore. Tesla's coming back for a high today. It's at 217.
See the bottom after that.
Bro, if you need to make sure your buttons are all set to transmit instantaneously, whatever the check mark is for it.
55.60 after 55.80, and then 55.35. But that's a lot. That's a lot. Don't really drop like that. I mean, yeah.
Is your book trader set to armed, bro? That's the only other reason why it would keep popping up messages. It's one of those check marks. So it's either the book trader or somewhere in your buttons you didn't set the submit instantaneously.
Technically, we're only down at 1%.
Maki, you're probably done for the day, but I haven't traded SPY yet, so I'm looking at 558 possibly. If we come back up.
That's not bad. Yeah. What would your target be? Just watching momentum.
It just depends, because there's that 1 minute trend here. But I don't know. Most likely done for the day unless I get some serious move in SPY.
Yeah, I'm done as well.
I'm at well, like, I understand you guys are looking for a gap play here to continue and finish the gap, which is fully understandable. But you have to remember this is also an area where there's a higher probability of buying here. So I don't think we fill that gap, honestly. Usually I would be a little over the downside, but I'm not convinced. I think the bigger play is to the upside.
You talk about meta or market?
The SPY, yeah, SPY.
Those 1 hour consolidations on SPY, the majority of the time they break, like after hours. I mean, that's why I don't expect this to. That's why I'm not focused on puts.
Damn Tesla, bro. It's crazy. That it's recovered that much. 212 to 217.
Yeah, you want me to shut your computer or sleep it?
You can sleep it.
I need to be somewhere in 8 minutes, so I have to leave. But The levels I'm watching are 559.50. That's gonna be the most important one, and 559.20. So around that range.
Yo,
Nor Georgia is looking at anything else. I'm looking around. I don't see much right now.
why are you interested in Tesla?
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been recovering without the market, so it's still $2 away.
That's wild.
Yeah. Oh, Georgia's gone.
Look at that's wild. Nvidia's still at 112. Yeah.
Wait, I gotta look at something. Where I bought Tesla at, this is where the contracts are at right now. Huh. So they're actually gaining a bit of value.
Really?
Yeah, slightly, but yeah, they're gaining value. That's funny.
Yeah.
This would strictly be a scalp for me, though, no. I wouldn't like to hold too much or anything.
What, until like 220?
Yeah, I'd probably look for 220.50. I don't know. I like how strong it is, but I don't want to give it too much room. Or maybe even just move my stop to break even if we happen to break out.
Spy's trying to recover here. It should see momentum over 557.70. It's the previous candle. I'll let you guys know when I'm interested in SPY. It's not there yet for me. Wait, what happened, Mike? Sorry, just reading the chat now. What happened to Meta? Why weren't you interested again? Interested in what, like downside? It's just an area that's been played with for like multiple times, so there's just nothing there that solidifies that. The only thing that I really actually missed was Nvidia, but it was too quick off the open. I even said it. Like it was, I had the contracts ready, it was just too quick. Frankie, how long are you sticking around for?
Till probably 11.
I'll stick around with you. There goes SPY.